Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a peachy spring and summer inspired makeup look. I feel like I haven't done a peachy eye look in such a long time, and I know you guys requested it in the comment section. So today I wanted to do a peachy look using a new palette that I received from Colourpop Cosmetics. So this is the palette right here, and I'm gonna start blending this orangey color all over my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. I'm trying to blend this shade as much as possible and to really make that orange pop in my crease. So I'm basically just gonna blend, and then when I feel like I don't have that much product left on my brush anymore, I'm just gonna dip my brush back into the eyeshadow and just continue to do it all over. And I just repeat this a few times until I feel like there's like enough color payoff in my crease. Now I hope you guys are all doing well. I don't know if I have a lot of moms on my YouTube channel, people with children. Let me know what you did on Mother's Day. Did you do anything special? Did you receive some gifts? I would love to know. I went with my mom and my sisters. I actually have 2 younger sisters and 2 older sisters who went to the city, and we just had some tea with some cake. I had a carrot cake, which is my personal favorite, but let me know what you guys did. Now next up, I'm going in with some concealer, and I'm using my favorite to cut the crease, which is the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer in the color NC15. And I'm using a tiny concealer brush, and I'm just gonna drag a line kind of right below where my natural crease is. And then after creating that line, I'm gonna fill in my whole eyelid using that same concealer. So this is kind of gonna leave like a blank space. It will cover up all the eyeshadow which is below. And if I apply like a light color on top of it, it will pop a little bit more. And of course the edges will look sharper because of that line that we created. I am going in with kind of like an orangey color, so the difference between my crease color and the color on my eyelid is not huge. For example, if I would go in with a super light color on top of it, the contrast would be a little bit bigger. In this case, it won't be, but it will still give me more of a softer cut crease effect. So hopefully that makes sense. So I went in with this shimmery kind of like coral peachy color and using that same brush, but now using it to pack on this eyeshadow color. So I'm just gonna apply this all over the eyelid on all the places where I just applied the concealer. Also, I want to apologize to you guys because I haven't uploaded a lot of videos lately. I think my motivation is a little bit gone ever since I got eczema on my other eyelids, the one that you're not seeing me apply eyeshadow on currently. It just annoys me so much, and it makes me enjoy doing my makeup less just because my eyelid is so irritated. I know I can still do it on one eye, but I personally feel like makeup is not complete when you just do an eye look on one eye. So this is just really annoying me, and I think it makes me just less motivated to do my makeup. But I did do a allergy test today, so I have all these weird things on the back of my back basically. So they're gonna test me on a lot of like ingredients to see if I'm maybe allergic to cosmetics or any other things. I'm actually thinking I might be allergic for gel nail polish. I'm doing my own gel nails, and I saw online that you can get eczema after a while of using gel polish. There's something in it, I think it's called metacrylate or something like that, which can cause you to get eczema. And I am doing my own gel nails, so it could be possible. I'm honestly hoping it's that, so I just know what it is and I can avoid it, and hopefully my eczema will go away. But I will keep you guys updated. I just wanted to apologize because normally I will always like upload 2 or 3 videos, and now I haven't uploaded for a whole week. So I will try to upload more, but that's kind of the reason why I haven't really. So you just saw me applying my gel eyeliner. I went for a classic winged liner, and I used the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is a nice drugstore gel eyeliner. I will link all the products I used in the description bar. And then on top of that, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Eyeliner, which is super nice, super black. If you apply it on top of gel eyeliner, it will give you a super black finish. Very nice. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with this peachy color, which I used earlier for my crease. And I'm using a Sigma Beauty flat diviner brush and just applying this all the way underneath my lower lash line. Then after that, I also went in with a tiny blending brush and just continuing to blend underneath the lower lash line. Then I went in with this new pencil that I received from Khouzami. I will link the color that I used in the description bar. Such a beautiful kind of like copper orangey shade. It will really make your eyes pop, so I love that. Then for my mascara, I used the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras, together with the Maybelline Sky High. Like the Benefit Roller Lash and the Sky High Mascara from Maybelline, those are my two favorites. They're super nice, and this one especially makes my lower lashes super long. I am going in with some false lashes because I don't really like my upper lashes that much. But I do love my lower lashes, and this mascara made them so long, as you can see. So just applying these lashes with my hands. They're unknown. I had this like really big box with all kinds of lashes in it. They don't have a name. I don't even know what the brand name is, but they're quite natural, and I think they're perfect for this eye look. So I popped a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner. You can use any highlighter that you have at home. I went for kind of like a soft golden color. The one that I used is from Ochre Cosmetics. It's called Rodeo Drive. And yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all like how this peachy eye look turned out. Let me know in the comments if this is something that you would wear. I would love to know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you want to see next, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that.